Hello and welcome to another tutorial by PSD World. When working in a multi-layered document, it's easy for lots of layers to stack up very quickly. Perhaps you got a little carried away and didn't bother naming your layers. Now it's time to clean up your layer stack and start deleting all the unneeded layers. Have you ever wondered if a layer is empty or not? Here's a little time-saving tip. Hold down Ctrl key and click on the layer thumbnail. If you get a message that says, "Warning, no pixels were selected," then you can safely delete the layer because it is indeed empty. If you just wanted to get rid of all empty layers, choose File, Scripts, Delete all empty layers. You will notice that all the empty layers are gone, and you are left only with working layers. So, was this tip helpful to you? Let me know. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please like this video. For more videos, visit my YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with my future content. Take care.